How to get an Adobe Acrobat free trial. Adobe Acrobat offers a 7-day free trial that provides access to its PDF editing, conversion, and e-signing tools before committing to a subscription. Here's how to activate and cancel your free trial. Step 1. Visit the Adobe Acrobat free trial page. Go to the Adobe website. Click on Free Trial under Adobe Acrobat Pro. Step 2. Select your trial plan. Choose Adobe Acrobat Pro for full access to all features. Click Start Free Trial. Step 3. Sign in or create an Adobe account. If you already have an Adobe account, sign in. If you're new, create an account by entering email address, password, personal details. Step 4. Enter payment information. Provide a valid credit or debit card to start the trial. No charges will apply during the 7-day trial, but Adobe will bill you automatically if you don't cancel before the trial ends. Step 5. Download and install Adobe Acrobat Pro. Click Download once the trial is activated. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the software on your device. Step 6. Use Adobe Acrobat Pro features during the trial. Edit PDFs, modify text, images, and layout. Convert PDFs, export files to Word, Excel, or PowerPoint. E-sign documents. Fill out and sign PDFs digitally. Protect PDFs, add passwords, and security features. Step 7. Cancel before the trial ends, if needed. Log into your Adobe account. Go to Plans and Payment Manage Plan. Click Cancel Plan before the trial expires to avoid charges. By following these steps, you can access Adobe Acrobat Pro for free during the trial period and decide if it meets your document editing and management needs.